DIY Fairy Garden Thursday, and we're filling up the greenhouse. Hi, it's Sharon. Well, it is Fairy Garden Thursday, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, and a big hug to all my regulars. So this is a collaboration with Grandma Sandy. Okay, the co-hosts are myself, Sharon Chornagel, Barb Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, Vancouver, Growing on Vancouver, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. And Grandma Sandy is our host, and she has all these wonderful fairy gardens that she's doing. So today we are going to work on filling the little greenhouse, which should be lots of fun. So we're going to get out the stuff and see what's first. Okay, got you into the table. Okay, the first thing they say to do is put this little shelf in. And there's all kinds of things that sit on this shelf. So I'm going to dig the little things that sit on there out, and then we're going to glue them all on the shelf, and then we'll place them where they go in the greenhouse. Stuff here, we've got the instructions. I'm going to put that over there. There. Now we got the, whoops, stand up there, please. Thank you. Need something to put in front of it to keep it on. Okay, I've got the little shelf, and one of these things fell off, so I got to glue it back on. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue, kind of the tip of the shelf, because they just don't. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing. There we go. We're just getting that right on the front. Right where it goes. There we go. We have a little plant up here, and it says that. I already glued it on a long time ago. And so now I'm going to glue the little watering pot. Little watering can goes on the shelf. Looks cute. And I've got these little boxes, and they go down in here, and they have stuff in them. So where's the seed box? That's soil. Seeds. And we have lots of little seeds. So I am going to put some glue in the bottom of that, and I'm going to put my seed packs in there. And it says seeds right on it. So, we'll get some glue down in here. And we've got foxgloves and peonies. And evening primrose, and that was hydrangeas, but I just dropped it on the floor. And these are hollyhocks. The hollyhocks. We'll stick it right in there. Okay, so our little packs of seeds. And it's supposed to go right there. So I'm going to put some glue down here so I can glue that box right on there. It's just too cute. Okay, beside it says to put tools. Like a little clay pot going inside. Some glue in here. And like I say, it doesn't have the sign on it. If I find it, I'll put it on there, but that's tools. And the bottom boxes are, one says soil and one says boxes. And I have these two little, I have this box. And I thought I had two, but I can't find the other one right at the second, so that's okay. We'll just put the one in shelf where it goes. Okay, there you go. Now, on this shelf, it says, that's also right here. This is the one that goes right there. So, I'm just gonna put some glue on this. I'm going to turn you back so you can see. I'm going to put that right there because that's where it says it goes. I'll stick it right in there. Two. Right here. I think you can see pretty good. And this little, oops, got all kinds of glue on it. This goes right down in here. So that goes right down in there. And I am going to glue the back of it and press it up against the wall because it doesn't seem to stand straight. And hopefully that'll be fine. Okay, that's kind of tricky. I'll just hold on to it. Off the table. Now we're going to get the table out, and we have stuff we put on it. Make sure that words are the right way up. Yep, goes right on there. Okay. What else goes on the table? A little jug with flowers. There's the little thing with flowers. It's supposed to have a little sign on it. There we go. I'm just going to stick it here. Why not? Use what you got. Nobody's going to know the difference. And then we put these little guys right in here. Okay, that's the table, but oh, and the scissors go on the table. I think one of the coffee mugs will go on the table too, but I guess it doesn't. Anyhow, that's where I'm going to put the scissors, right there. Oh, one of the coffee mugs goes up here. This one with the green in it. This little coffee mug goes right here. And then we're supposed to have a thing of ribbon. But I don't know what happened to it. Okay, that's our table. So we'll set that aside, because now we're supposed to work on this shelf here. And it has these boxes with lids. And the fern and that other little white thing. Now, where's my fern? Did I put it somewhere else? Oh, I thought the fern was hung up. Oh well. It says the fern. Okay, let's put the fern on there. It says the fern. And there's the fern. And we had that little, this little thing, which is just a little decoration. Put a little glob of glue there. Hopefully I've got you in my sights. Little glob of glue there. Okay. Now these boxes, there's something in this one. Oh, there we go, got it out. Maybe those are seed packages. Okay, these boxes with their little lids go right on the shelf. Storage boxes. Okay, that little shelf is full. And now we have the hanging shelf, which is here. This is the little hanging shelf. Here's a little cup with flowers, and we're going to glue it on the top of this shelf. Right there. And this little paper box. It has flower seeds on it. So we're going to glue that right in there. And I don't have any flower seeds to put in it, but that's all right. It's a chair. Now we have the cushion. And we have the blanket. Now the blanket is awfully big for this one little chair. Okay, I'm gonna cut the blanket. Because we certainly don't need all of this. There's the blanket. Put it in here. And we'll put the cute little cushion in. And there is this little cup right here. It's so teeny tiny. It goes right on the arm of the chair. Sorry about the noise. I didn't close my door, so it's picking up all the noise. Anyhow, at this time, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. This dresser gets this little thing on top. Okay, so this little dresser goes right beside that. And yes, I'm going to put glue on. And I better check and see if you guys can see. Okay, now next to that, okay, we put this little shelf right next to those hooks. Okay, this little shelf goes right in there. There we go. Underneath the shelf goes our table. So, what are you guys looking at? Okay, I'll put a little bit of glue on each leg. That will stick the table right down under. Right. And the stool goes on in front of it. Okay, got the little stool. Got the little stool. And it's going to go right in front of the table, kind of to the side. Right, the noise in the background that you're hearing is my husband. And I believe he's chopping up potatoes and stuff for dinner. So I certainly can't complain. Now the chair. Where'd my paper go? There's my paper. Oh, we need the little. Here it is. Oh. And there's a little floor mat that goes in here. So we're going to stick it in here, and the chair goes on top of that. So put that right down in here. Well, it's kind of tricky because we got the glass all inside the. There we go. And our cute little chair. There we go. That goes right on that mat. Put a dab of glue on it. Let's get it down in there and kind of turn sideways. Here we go. There's the chair. And this little cupboard. This little cupboard goes right over here. Okay, that little cupboard goes right over there. How come that came off? It must have come unglued. Okay, this philodendron, pretty sure that's what it is, goes beside the chair. Well, this is what we're going to have done today. We put some of the stuff in the greenhouse. We'll let you look from above. And we'll let you look from the sides. It's pretty cute. Oops. And next time we get together, hopefully we'll get this finished, but not today. Nope, I've ran out of energy, and we have all this stuff to put out front, which will be fun. Here's the little pot that goes up there with the green in it. Okay, that makes me feel better. Okay. It is still. Okay, that goes up there. Now I feel like I can be done for today.
Once again, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe. And don't forget to watch all the other ladies do their fairy gardens. And all you have to do is type in hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday.
Seems to have come undone, but we'll glue it. Okay, there we go. Okay, hopefully next time we'll get the front, the side, and the roof on with the light. But I think it's pretty cute. Thank you very much for watching this video. And thanks again, Grandma Sandy, for hosting this video. And we'll see you all in my next video, which will be Sunday Home Reset. Bye!